Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Venmo for business payouts step by step clearly. To register with Venmo for business payouts, start by downloading the Venmo app on your smartphone. Once the app is installed, open it and select Sign Up. You will be prompted to enter your phone number or email address. Choose the option that you prefer to use for your account creation. After entering your information, tap Next. You will receive a verification code via text or email, depending on your choice. Enter the verification code in the app to verify your identity. Next, you will need to create a secure password for your account. After setting your password, fill in your personal details, including your name and date of birth. Once complete, tap Next to proceed. Now, select Switch to Business Profile from the options available. You will need to provide additional information about your business. This may include your business name, category, and description. Enter your bank account information for payouts. Make sure to provide accurate details to ensure smooth transactions. Once all information is entered, review your details for accuracy. If everything looks correct, submit your application. Your account will be reviewed by Venmo, which may take a few moments. Once approved, you will have access to business payouts through Venmo. You can now start accepting payments from customers seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.